if there's any justice at all in the world, my last meal is going to be a Carnitas taco. It's the best thing on the planet, and I would be such a good vegetarian if it weren't for pork. I'm going to show you how to do it in the slow cooker, because if there's two things that were meant for each other, it's pork and slow cooking. Super simple. Boneless pork shoulder, lots of fat. So you're going to cut it up. Do not trim the fat. This is about a 4-pound piece of boneless pork shoulder. Now you can use this for all kinds of stuff. You can make tamales out of leftover carnitas. We're going to put a couple pinches of salt on this. Add a cup of water. So we're going to put the pork over here on low for about 8 hours. Because in 8 hours you're going to have all this fantastic carnitas coming out. You're going to want something to eat it with. But let's do a couple of different things with it. We'll have a little bit of diced white onion. We'll have some avocado. So just dice it right in the shell. Cut it across. And then get a spoon. Just scoop it out onto a plate. A little pinch of salt. Now this other little item that we have here is really fun. This is called chicharron. And what it is it's pork skin that has been deep fried. But just break it up into little pieces so you have a little bit of texture with this wonderful meat that we're going to be having. So we've got our garnishes for the tacos that look fantastic, but we're going to make one more salsa called a salsa verde. Salsa verde is going to be made of tomatillos, which is these little green guys right here. Lots of onions. Some serrano chilies kind of broken up. I like this salsa to be spicy. We're going to put a little bit of salt on top and a pretty good chunk of cilantro. Just kind of break it up with your hands. And then we're going to press this until it's fairly smooth. This is a salsa that you're always going to use fresh. Look at that beautiful green color. It's tart and it's spicy and it's salty and it's just delicious. So let's take a look and see what's happened to our carnitas in the 8 hours since we last looked at it. And look how gorgeous that is. It's just so tender, it's just falling apart. This is the point where you gotta make a taco. I've got my warm corn tortillas. Oh, look at it, it just falls apart. It's delicious. Put a little bit of this gorgeous salsa verde on here. And remember, you always have to make this fresh. This is not a salsa that can sit in your refrigerator. I've got some onions, a little bit of avocado, a little piece of chicharron. And look at this, this is absolutely gorgeous. Slow cooker carnitas tacos, the best taco on the planet, bar none.